been a while since I've uploaded. Channel's gone a bit dead. It's gone really quiet. Mind you, I haven't uploaded for a while, so maybe that's part of the reason. But look, Aquarius Pro Valet Fishtail, it's broken. What happened was the screw that goes through here, which is meant to keep these bits pinched together, it's not pinched together anymore. And as you can see, I'll try and zoom in a bit. See what happens as soon as you put any pressure down, that happens. But because it's got like a little hooky bit, a sharp bit just there, it tries to, I noticed it on the floor mat actually. Luckily it wasn't on a seat, because that could have dug in and tore the seat. So it's lucky I was doing a floor mat at the time, putting a bit of pressure down, not much pressure but enough I suppose. And it, yeah, look, the gap opens up, and then that little bit at the end there was grabbing the floor mat fabric fibres, and it was very grippy, like getting jammed up. So this bit has now been retired, and I've had to put another fishtail on, but I haven't put a fishtail like this on. I've put a fishtail on and mechanism with all the handle and stuff from like a Wet George, because that's what I had lying around. So yeah, so that's another thing to watch out for if you've got one of these machines. You know, I mean, you could probably replace these, I'm sure, cheap enough, because it's probably this bit here, because I did try to tighten the screw up, but it's just turning on the bit here, so it just won't fasten it together anymore. So there we go. If you've got one of these machines, say another thing to watch out for, just be careful, because if it happens while you're shampooing a seat, there's every chance that could grab the fabric and sort of dig into it, and who knows what might happen. There we go. Anyway, nice to see you all if you're watching this. As I say, it's been a while, channel's a bit quiet. Yeah, I'm not really sure where to go with the channel actually. I've uploaded quite a lot of videos, as you would have probably noticed if you follow the channel. Nearly, well, probably over 2,000 uploads, which is quite a lot, but the views have just really dipped. I mean, massively dipped, and sort of likes and stuff. It's just, it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyway, hope you all have a good day. Take it easy, and I'll see you again.